Alright, I'm approaching the anomaly now. Perimeter looks good. How are we looking from the sky? Eagle 1? We all sorted?
I don't know. There's a lot of mist.
Okay, well, I want to go and approach anyway. Hello, sir. Are you aware you're trespassing on... Crap!
Alert from the Federal Bureau of Investigation, Unusual Incidents Unit. This alert is to all civilians in the Washington metropolitan area. You must cooperate with the FBI, UIU, and other security and police forces. Civilians in the Washington metropolitan area must evacuate immediately. A dangerous draconic biological anomaly is incoming to your area. This anomaly has already killed 3 UIU personnel and 3 United States Air Force personnel. The anomaly appears dangerous and hostile to the citizens of the United States. You will be informed when the situation is resolved and Washington is safe. The FBI, UIU, and United States Paranatural Warfare Command are working to devise a solution. International security groups, the Global Occult Coalition and SCP Foundation, are assisting. Cooperate with authorities and remain calm. Thank you for your attention.